That's really cool. Oh my god, oh my god. Sean, look at these tips. Look at these tips. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another EVS vlog. My name is Haywood, aka Renaissance Man. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, join the EVS crew. Alright, let's go. Oh my god, Will. Wake up. You're gonna hurt my back. Good. Wake up. Alright guys, we are at Speed Vegas. We're gonna meet up with ADV1 and check out and see what they have. This is ADV1's new wheel design. Look at this spoke. Normally spokes obviously start here in the middle and they come out right to the edge, but look at this. There's nothing here. It is just floating. It is just pure floating. The only holding it in is the leg extensions back here. So that's ADV's new style this year, is like this literally floating spoke design almost.
That's so good. God, that's so fucking sexy.
Whoa, I think it's mean
damn.
I think it's so cool.
I want to go take a look at it. I want to go take a look.
Do you know what this is? So this Porsche 356 was actually hand built. Every body panel on the car was crafted by hand, and that's because you can't replicate this like car. So there is some custom body work on it. Obviously it is a little bit wider. These Momo wheels, they're forged, but they actually weren't forged from they were forged just from a big cube, just a big block. It's not like a normal forging when you forge the wheels. Just milled a cube down constantly until they could get this one-off custom center lock set for the car. It's got a 450 horsepower flat 4 that was once a flat 6, but they chopped 2 cylinders off. Estimated to be worth over $1 million. It's insane. And you can look, Momo products everywhere. Momo shift knob, Momo seat belts, Momo steering wheel, Momo pedals. I mean, keep in mind, this is all done by hand, and it's almost perfect. I mean, it's like as perfect as you could tell for a car that's, what, 60, 70 years old?
See another design with the floating spoke. What do you guys think about this? I wonder if there's any sort of technical advantage of doing things like this, or is this just purely aesthetic? It definitely is really unique. So ADV1 is making a new series called Flow Spec, and this is what it is. So as I mentioned before, there's cast, there's forged, and there's something in between called Flow Forged, and that is what this is. So this is a Flow Forged wheel. ADV1, if you know, only focused purely on forged wheels for many, many years, but they're now starting to get back into doing Flow Forged wheels, which is something they kind of dabbled with in the beginning. The spoke design reminds me very similar to the Advanced series from ADV1, which is like a lot of those supporting arches on the spokes like these, which is crazy because this design is their highest configurable design. So for them to bring that design language into a much more cost-effective wheel is insane, because to do these cuts takes a while. But the cool thing with this is the center cap here. This is a forged aluminum center cap, so that's really cool how they added that in there. Guys, this wheel finish combo color is insane. Floating spoke design is sick. Here's another look at the flow spec design from ADV1. So these are the entry-level wheels that they're going to be coming out with. So here are 2 custom colors they can do: the satin bronze or the matte bronze, and then this polished copper or this polished bronze, you want to call it. This is crazy. I've never seen this finish on like a non-forged wheel.
It looks like a forged wheel. And they did a good job with the angles and everything too. It's still like, you know, a lot of flow form wheels are dulled down. These still look really sharp and angular like forged.
Guys, I just talked to one of the ADV reps. You can actually pick any finish that ADV1 can do for the forged wheels. You can choose it for your flow spec wheels. That's right. So now you can get any forged wheel color from ADV1 for your flow spec. It's crazy. Red, bronze, black, blue, purple, green, it doesn't matter. We can do it now. So that's really cool. I've never seen another company offer forged wheel finishes for their flow forged wheels or for the cast wheels. This is really cool.
This guy, he kept going in and out of the wildfires in California rescuing people. Couldn't see a thing but red flames. He constantly went in and out, and his truck still worked even after looking like this.
Holy shit. That is cool.
That's it.
It looks smelted.
This still works, right?
Yep. Still runs, they drove it in. Even this light works.
Really?
Which is crazy. Yeah.
Wow.
Everything works. It's just
Toyota heard about this news about the truck, so what they did was they actually built him a new truck. So this is what it looks like. Not a bad upgrade if you ask me. Look, 80D front bumper with Baja design lights, You got more lights up top, a roof rack. He's got 40-inch tires. The whole thing is bullet line, so now it's fireproof. So in case he ever has to go do the same things he did in Cali again, he's good to go. So this is a really cool texture. It is like this spray on, and basically it makes it really rough. It makes it very durable, so scratches, door dings, things like that pretty much won't do anything to it. Yo, all right guys, this is it. The 3000 GT Toyota Supra. Yo, look at this setup, guys. So you guys may recall I did that little reaction to that teaser video. Well, this is the actual kit.
That is sick.
So this thing is wrapped in brushed aluminum. That's pretty cool. They probably didn't have time to paint it, so they decided to wrap the whole thing. So it has a new front spoiler, new front bumper, of course, new hood, fender flares, carbon fiber side skirts, and it has like this carbon fiber molding on the door, and of course wide fender flares. Look at this wing, guys. Oh my god. And then you have this little accent carbon fiber on the trunk, and look at the rear diffuser. Look how freaking aggressive that is, man. Look at all the carbon fiber extensions and flares that come out, and the rear diffuser here, it's like a scoop. It looks like a freaking scoop, guys. That is so cool. I wonder how that works. It's like exhaust is coming out, but it's like hitting this. I mean, not hitting it, but it's like, is it gonna melt it? I don't know. What do you think?
I need a Supra, guys.
Fitment looks really good.
Carbon bit right here?
Yeah, that's part of the kit.
I've never seen this in carbon. This is so nice.
It's part of the kit from what I understand.
Dude, Toyota, who wouldn't go with this kit? Like, this is the best looking kit on the car right now.
I love the vents. The vents are so cool. Fitment looks good. I mean, I don't notice anything off. It lines up pretty well with the rest. I don't have any complaints. I don't see anything way too obvious as far as how it fits. Everything looks pretty nice and tight.
Look at this diffuser on this one.
Whoa, that diffuser.
It's the most aggressive diffuser. Look at the exhaust tips too.
Yeah, when we were
The center.
right.
Oh, they got rid of the third brake light.
Third brake light went down the center with the exhaust tips on
That's
this one.
aggressive. Oh, it's different. The taillights are different. Yo, look at this aggressive rear diffuser. Look at all those fins. You guys know me, man. You know me. I love my fins. I love my aggressiveness. Look at that. That thing is ready to pounce. Green Supra, Hoka version. Yo, this is cool. I've never seen a green one before. Yo, the matte green really just accents the body lines on this. And look at that wing. This is a cool wing. I haven't seen this one before, but it has a nice, cool, futuristic look to it because of these like ends here. I like it. That's really cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? These are the coolest freaking tips ever. Look at this. Sean, look at these tips. Look at these tips.
This is a rocket ship?
They look like freaking turbines or something off like a rocket ship.
I think this is a jet-powered engine Supra.
This is a perfect setup to shoot flames out of. It looks like you would shoot flames now. All right, guys, I'm going to the Boston party. You guys see the Boston letters? Oh man, they took over Waldorf Astoria. It's crazy. There's a G-Wagon right here. That's pretty cool.
Hey, what's here, guys? Oh shit.
Instagram takeover? I'll let you do it for like 1 hour.
I am doing an Instagram takeover for the next couple of minutes until the phone gets taken back or until he realizes. So I'm going to show you some cool stuff that's happening right now at the Boston party. Check this out, guys. Look, Team Boston sweatshirts or jackets. Look at this. Super comfy, super thick, super soft. Perfect for cuffing season because you know we in it, dog. Oh, guys, look at this G-Wagon. Yo, I love these wheels. This is freaking aggressive as heck. Matte black textured. I hope you guys can see. It's really dark. I know. This is my only friend right now keeping light on here. So chunky looking.
Showing you the different machining process.
What a setup, guys. Wheel TV, wheel TV, wheel TV, wheel TV, wheel TV. Oh, that's cool. That is cool, guys. Look at this robot. What this machine is, what this robotic arm is doing is basically this arm is one of the many tools that Boston uses to create their wheels. It's super efficient. It helps with the process, with the production and everything. And right there, what they're trying to show you with this display is they're just trying to show you how the arm is super precise, super careful, super exact with what it does, and it's able to lift the wheels effortlessly, as you can see, spin it, rotate it, do all it needs to do, lay it back down onto these little legs and arms, and just keep moving. Guys, look at this crazy display. This is insane. Look at this. Look how many wheels they got. Look at all the wheels. This is probably the coolest display I have seen. Just slanted, right? Just super slanted looking, but with the cool LED lights everywhere. This is so many wheels. Look how beautifully displayed this is. So beautifully displayed. Love it. Incredible. I love this wheel, guys. It's like a satin bronze finish. It has a super open design. I would call this almost like a 5-spoke design, so it looks really sporty. This is a clean, freaking wheel. I can see this on a lot of different cars. This is so sick. Look at this wheel. This is super menacing. Just look at the way the spokes are machined here. It's like this, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like a webbed finger style, you know, where it's kind of like just warped around. I know it sounds really bad, but no, it looks so cool, doesn't it? And then of course you have the cut in the middle to save some weight so everything's inset in.
EVS is the best dude in the
Double
world.
Teslas.
In the world.
Bye, Jav. You're a beautiful man. Bonita. Mucho bonita. Leo, I will see you next time.
He was wondering, and it's his car, and so I go on his Instagram. Now, Will, I swear to God, you're the most annoying person in the freaking world.
Oh my God.
What's up, Will?
Right, motherfucker. That is it for the vlog.
Hold up. We got one more thing to do. This vlog doesn't end until it happens. Oh! I'd like to thank you guys for watching the EVS crew at Las Vegas and Sema. Click the subscribe button and the like button. I'll see you in Houston. Let's go!